Without instant stimulation, your motivation will be actually 100%. Just picture this. When there were no mobile devices, no video games, no serious technological advancements. Back then, the hunters would go into the forest and get a huge animal. And that would give them a sense of fulfillment and achievement. And they went hunting and they were able to come home with food. Or probably they went fishing, they came home with fishes. Or they went to the farm and they harvested their produce. That's enough fulfillment and achievement. And the mental health was actually stable during these periods. But nowadays, you get your motivation from social media. You get achievement and fulfillment from video games. You get that feeling of social interaction from instant messaging apps. You get that feeling of building a relationship or getting a partner from dating apps. And that is why your dopamine is fried today. That is why you are not having a stable level of dopamine, because you are getting it from instant sources. You are getting it as a quick reward without you even working for it. You don't have to do much. Just go onto dating apps. Once you get matches, you are good to go. You don't have to do too much in life. Once you can level up in your video games, you are good to go. You don't have to do too much to eat healthy foods. You don't have to do too much to prepare a meal. You can just go to the nearest fast food and get junk food. And that is why you lack motivation today. You don't feel you need to do anything serious because everything comes easy. You can order for food on your phone. Yes, technology makes life easy. 100%. It makes our life easy, but you need to be intentional about your use. Only use them for something wholesome. Use technology for something meaningful. Things that you need to do in the real life, make sure you don't avoid them. Use the technology to make your life easier, but don't let technology hijack your freedom. The technological advancement is not to replace natural, wholesome activities. Still go out, make friends, build meaningful relationships, spend time with loved ones, talk to people. Don't rely on technology for everything. Because we as humans, we are biologically designed to do things, achieve goals, and get a sense of fulfillment in real awesome activities. Not from social media, not from technological devices. Only use the technological devices to make your life easier. Stop overflooding your brain with dopamine from instant pleasure. Rather, get your dopamine from natural, wholesome activities that are meaningful so that you can have a stable level of dopamine. Because when you overflow your dopamine levels with instant sources of pleasure, junk food, scrolling on social media, video games, loud fast music, watching movies all day, taking all sorts of harmful things, when you get your dopamine from these things, you will definitely have a sudden spike in dopamine levels. And then everything that goes up definitely come down. As it spikes, so it's going to crash. And when it crashes, you feel down. You start feeling depressed. You don't have motivation. You don't have drive. You don't have the zeal. You don't have the zest to do anything. Because your nervous system thinks you have achieved everything in life. Of course, there's a lot of things for you to achieve, rather than just scrolling all day, rather than looking for likes and comments on social media. Once you start searching for likes and comments on social media, that's where your dopamine will be aligned to. It gives a sense of fulfillment in the virtual world, not in the real world. You need to start getting your dopamine from wholesome natural activities. Go out and do some exercise. Go into the sunlight. Talk to someone today. Go out there and approach somebody. Make meaningful relationships in the real life. We are social animals, and that is why we need to get better social interactions and do things in the real life. They may be slow, they may be boring, but you do a lot of good than just spending the whole day on social media looking for instant pleasure that won't help your brain in the long run. No wonder so many youths are retards today. Because you are only after instant pleasure. You want to be stimulated instantly. You don't want to do too much of hard work to achieve anything. You just want everything to come quickly because social media has made it easy. You can do better. I'll see you in the next one.